Research pa ba to, guys? Let's go! Uy! Sabihin nyo kay Inyo pag ayun na lang bibigyan. O, dali. Ano? Hi!
Because I love you so much. Si Ma'am Pia, Ma'am Janina.
Kasi, hindi na tayo.
Kaya ano tayo ito sa gabi nga
Kahit sandali lang, basta makasama ka. Kahit mamaya lang, ako'y uuwi na. Kahit katapusan, hindi ka iiwan. Basta makasama ka, ako'y nakauwi na.
makipag-oras ng defense tapos binigat natin sa pwede solar.
Pag-ibig sa basta makasama ka.
Hindi man nila nalugyan nila.
Sa iyo, di ba naginip?
Stop video.
Ang iyong pag-ibig.
Ay, wala kita dapat. Pero lang ikaw doon, kapampaling ko ba sa tawag?
Thankful ako kasi napunta ako sa inyo. And this one, etong nangyayari na to, it will be a core memory of mine. Yearly, inaalala at naaalala ko kayo. And I thank my Lord for giving you to me. Hindi naman ako binigo ng Panginoon because ibinigay niya ako sa inyo. Always enjoy the moment. You are mine, small contributor, and of course, you are mine, and I love you. And it was, of course, a pride and a privilege, an honor for me to be your advisor this school year. I am at my happiest now pagdating sa aking advisory career. Okay? I thank you, Jupiter, for bearing with me, for coping, for coping with me, to be able to receive me. Hindi ko man naibalik yung kindness ninyo because mabait talaga, no? Hindi ko mapapatayo yun. But with you, I was loved by this group of learners. Pero yun lang, I'm happy with your section and I couldn't be more but it's something na I will cherish throughout my teaching career. Kayo na talaga yung so Jupiter. Don't forget na once in your life, we met and